national parks are America's treasures, and Fantasy RV Tours offers 5 unique RV tours exploring national parks in the West. Which RV adventure is right for you? Step into the spirit of the Wild West at Joshua Tree National Park, where desert landscapes and star-filled skies create unforgettable memories. On the Western National Parks Tour, RVers journey through the legendary Grand Circle, exploring 7 national parks filled with dramatic geologic formations and fascinating historic sites. Travel deep into the heart of the Rockies, where alpine peaks, geothermal wonders, rugged plains, and abundant wildlife create an adventure unlike any other. Experience the desert wonders of the Southwest, from the Grand Canyon's breathtaking rim to the painted landscapes of petrified forest and the sacred beauty of Canyon de Chelly. Experience the ultimate Rockies journey, from soaring mountains to dramatic badlands, and from iconic wildlife to landscapes shaped by time. With Fantasy RV Tours, your campsites are reserved, your routes are planned, and your only job is to enjoy the journey. So, which national parks adventure is right for you?